How to install soundproofing in your car. We will start by adding soundproofing to the doors. The first step is to remove the door panel. On this Kia Rio there are 3 screws holding the panel in place, so remove those first. Once the screws are out, carefully pry the panel away from the door and lift it upward to release it. Disconnect any attached cables and set the panel aside. Next, remove the speaker to gain access behind it, then apply the foam as shown. After that, install the anti-vibration pads on the inner door skin, covering as much accessible surface area as possible. Also, at this point I would like to mention that doing this type of work can cause complications or harm if not done professionally. Therefore, please proceed at your own risk. I'm also using some pads to cover these larger openings, but this step is optional. Once that's done, reinstall the moisture barrier or cover sheet. Now it's time to apply the sound absorbing foam to the back of the door panel. Depending on your vehicle's design, you will need to identify any areas that should be left uncovered so the panel can fit back into place without resistance or pressure. With the foam installed, reconnect the cables and refit the door panel. Repeat the same process for the remaining doors. On the rear door of this car, there is one additional step. Remove this plastic trim at the top before taking off the panel. Next, we will move to the boot area. Start by removing the wheel arch trim panel. On this vehicle, that requires removing 3 screws. Pulling back part of the rubber seal and then carefully unclipping the panel from the body. With the trim removed, apply the foam to the exposed surface as shown. Once finished, reinstall the trim panel and press the rubber seal back into place. The final step is to add soundproofing foam to the boot floor area as shown here. And that's it, the installation is complete. I hope this video has been a helpful guide. If you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY content. Thanks for watching.